Hi everyone, my name is Waldemar Siaga. Meyan Intelligent on I am from Mistratoris Aralda Ringward Yain Lai in Pereira. Ian Gurlenti is doing a bachelor degree in airline children education and reality in high learning work through place children grow learn and discovery take role. Some of my hobbies are relating listening to music and spending time with children and my friend team and also like to watch movies or with friends. My favorite color is blue and my favorite sport are soccer and also enjoy drawing and learning new trees. Now young would like to answer and where ticket gestion work to young train are true values or goal leader. In my opinion, a good leader must be honest, respect and comedy. Honesty is important because people need to trust their leader relation with others and community and essential to write a group towards goals. For example, an university leader should support students listen to their needs and works to im- improve communication and to academic community. A good leader is also someone who inspire and motivate us with a positive activities. So Jan believe two most important values or goal leader are honest, respect the community and true ability to communicate well. Thank you for listening.